'cause it makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yeah.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see by the title, today we're doing another wig install, and today this video is sponsored by Unice. So you guys, I am in love with this hair. Look at the color, look at the texture. It is just so cute. So they sent me this reddish brown, that's the color. It's called reddish brown. It's like a almost like a dark copper, like a mix between a dark copper and burgundy. It's like really dark, but you can tell that it's a little bit red and a little bit brown. So it's called Reddish Brown 13x4 lace front wig. The texture is Kinky Straight 4C, and it is 24 inches. So I'm a little short, so on me it reaches like the top of my butt. But you guys, this hair is just so cute. I've never tried kinky hair before. This is my first time and I love it. I feel like you can do so much with this texture. Like literally, I plucked the wig, I didn't bleach the knots. All I did was tint the lace. So I plucked it, tinted the lace, and also washed it, of course. And this is what it looks like after I washed it. I let it air dry. I didn't blow dry it. This is just after it's been combed a little bit. So it's wearable just in its natural state. You don't have to do anything with it, but I'm excited to like curl it, maybe long curl it, and do so much more with this hair. But for today, I just did a little half up, half down number, and I just think it is so cute because it was so effortless. I didn't have to do much to the wig. I kind of just want to show y'all like the texture of it, because back here it wasn't really combed much, so you can see like the curl pattern a little bit, because up here it's like combed out and it's giving like blow dry. But if you can see that, that's kind of the texture of it when you don't comb it. But it's so cute. I just feel like it's so natural. So yeah, those are the wig details. But I also just wanted to show y'all the packaging that they sent it in, because it was so cute. So they sent it in this little pink box that says Unice, and inside it, of course, it came with a silk bag. This is what the wig was in. So that's always good to have bags to store your wigs in, silk specifically. And then they have this little goodie bag. Love those. Inside of here we have a little elastic band, like to tie down your lace. And then they have an elastic band that goes around the back of your wig if you want to make your wig tighter or do like a glueless install. You can use this. Also very helpful. Oh my gosh, I didn't even really see this, but they sent me a bonnet, y'all. I didn't even see that. Wow, they sent the whole bonnet. How cute is that? What? Who don't need bonnets? Oh my gosh, wow. Thank you, Unice. Thank you. And then a pair of lashes. And you know how hair companies be sending the lashes and they don't look cute? These actually look cute. And they're by Unice. Dang, you can't really see those. Those are cute. I would actually wear those. So, yeah. And then lastly, oh, there's 2 elastic bands in here. So there's 2 of those that they sent me. Thank y'all so much. We have some wig caps, of course. Always good to have. And y'all, this looks like clothing. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, y'all. They sent me a pink silk robe. And it says Unice on it, but it's a cute little pink silk robe. This is the cutest thing. And it's ironic because my favorite color is pink. So the fact that all of this is pink and they sent me a pink robe, please. It's so cute. Thank you, Unice. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for everything. Guys, I definitely recommend getting this wig because Just look at it. I feel like I've never seen this color before. It is super cute. I love it. And without further ado, we're just gonna start the video. You guys can watch me install this wig. And of course, the link will be down below for the wig and all the other details. So check that out when you're done as well. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, you guys. So as you guys can see by the intro, I probably explained what we're doing today already. So I'm just gonna start installing the wig, and here she is. As y'all can see, I already have on a cap. My makeup looks crazy because I already cleaned my forehead, pushed my edges back, made sure all the dirt and stuff was going off my forehead, cleaned it with some alcohol, so we're all ready to go. So alright, so this is the wig off of the mannequin. I did go ahead and pluck it, so that's already done, but I did not bleach the knots because I know with colored wigs, like pre-colored wigs, that can be weird. So I left the knots alone. They're just red because the hair is red, of course. But what I am going to do is just tint it. So I'm gonna go in with this Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray that is the color of my skin, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the lace, the inside of the wig, very lightly because we don't want it to do too much, just to tint it a little bit since we weren't able to bleach the knots. So I just went ahead and did that, and here's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a second, and then we're gonna come back and put her on. I let it dry for a second, so now we're going to apply it. I went ahead and adjusted the little clips inside, so I'm gonna just go ahead and throw her on. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just trying to see like what she's giving so far before we start to like lay it down, and this looks so good, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so y'all look at it. It's so thick and pretty. I've never tried a kinky wig before, so this is like amazing. I know it looks a little big, but like, and I think I want to keep it this texture. Like I might curl it later, but for this video, I think I'm just gonna keep it straight. And y'all, by the way, this is after I've washed it, and I didn't blow dry it. I just let it air dry. So this is what it looks like, and it's a little bit combed out. So in the back, you can kind of still see the texture. And I think I do want to keep this like I don't want to do anything to it because I'm liking the kinky straight. Like I don't feel like I need to do anything to it. We're gonna style it, of course, but I think I want to leave it straight. So, all right. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm just gonna line this up. And I'm just going to cut my ear tabs. Very self-explanatory. Just going to cut where my ears are. Make sure that it fits. And I'm not going to use lace glue for this because I don't really know how long I'm gonna keep it, and I just don't like the mess of lace glue for real. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be spray along with my little black Got To Be gel. So I'm gonna do 2 layers of each. So I'm gonna go on with the gel first and just put that all along my hairline. I just finished the 2 layers of the gel, so I'm just gonna blow dry it really quick and get it a little tacky.
How I love you, keep you here with me.
So now that that's all dried and tacky, I'm just going to pull my lace down and start setting it in. So I'm just gonna lay it down and start to comb it into the glue that we just laid. And at this step, I like to go back in with my dot to be right where the hairline is. Just so we're like setting it in even more. And then of course, go back in with the comb to make sure it's not crunchy or anything. Alright, so now that I got that all combed out, I'm gonna take my elastic band, tie it around, and start melting the lace. I'm gonna cut this a little bit because it's so long. I cannot see. Okay, so while my lace is setting in, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the styling process. So my idea was to do like a half up, half down situation. I don't know if I want to have like some bangs and then do it, or if I just want to put it up. I kind of think I just want to put it up. Yeah. Alright, so see, you can still see like the texture in here. The wave pattern again is 4C. I'm so excited. I think this is so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do a half up, half down. So what I'm gonna do is just section off the top half. And I'm not really doing this perfect because since it's so poofy, it's gonna kind of be everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is just take my hot comb and kind of try to like smooth it up just to get it super flat. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and I'm just gonna go all across the front. And then just comb that in just to make sure everything is smooth and everything is laying down. Alright, so I just have a little rubber band. So I'm gonna grab up all that hair and just start forming the ponytail. Alright, so here is the ponytail. I think that looks pretty good. Like, look how cute this is. I'm feeling it. So now what I think I want to do is do a little wraparound piece. So I'm just gonna take a small piece of the ponytail, put some got to be on it. Alright, for some reason it cut off when I was wrapping it around, but what I did was just wrap around the base and spray some got to be as I went so that it was smooth. And now that I'm at the end, I'm just going to secure it with a little bobby pin in the back to make sure that it stays. And now we have a little wraparound top. That is so cute. Alright, Alright, so the hair is basically styled. Now all we have to do is cut the lace, do the baby hairs, and we're done. So I'm just gonna take off my elastic band, see what it's looking like. Y'all, why did I just realize I did the whole ponytail without taking out the baby hairs? Love that for me, but we're gonna figure it out. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna start cutting the lace. So alright, you guys, I got the edges out. We have to redo the whole ponytail because duh, India. But okay, I'm just gonna do this off camera because I already saw me do it, and we're gonna come back. It's gonna be real quick. No big deal. Alright, you guys, we successfully got the ponytail done again. Literally took like 5 minutes, which is good. So now I'm just going to start cutting my edges so we can lay them down. And I'm just going to take some mousse and put those on my edges first. I never curl my edges, which I probably should do, but I don't feel like getting my flat iron, so this is gonna have to do, you know? So we got that, and then I'm just gonna go in with this extreme gel for a little bit of extra security. And then of course, I'm just gonna go in with my little edge brush and start swooping these things.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time.
Okay, the edges are finally laid, and as y'all can see, the lace is a little still, so I'm just gonna go in with my Got To Be one more time, just around the perimeter and on the lace. And I'm just going to take my elastic band for one last little melt. I feel like Black Ariel. That's what I feel like. But alright, I'm gonna come back when it's all laid. Yeah. The last thing I'm gonna do is just go in with a little bit of powder makeup in this little brush and just go along the lace just to make it even more realistic. I'm just going in with like a light brown color.
Yeah, this looks so good. I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. This is what the hair is giving. I love it. Like I said, I cannot wait to do other styles, maybe curl the hair. There's so much you can do with this, but I really just wanted to do this half up, half down because I think it's so cute and fun. I think this is just the cutest thing ever. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Definitely give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and share, you guys. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.